Alright folks, in today's video we are going to teach you how to remove, unlock, get rid of this screen pattern password here in case you forgot it and don't know how to solve it yet. We are going to show you in a very straightforward way, or how to perform a hard reset on your A24 device. Remember that this will erase everything in your phone's memory, and in some cases you will need to connect the USB cable to your computer. But you don't need to download any program, any file, nothing, alright? So on this screen here we are going to press the minus button along with the power button until the device restarts. When it restarts, we release only the minus and press the plus button. So it's good for you to follow exactly the timing of when your device is restarting, so you can manage to put it in recovery mode. Alright? Let's wait here then. Release the minus now, press the plus, release the power button and keep holding the plus volume button until it enters the recovery mode I mentioned. That's why in some cases you will need to connect the USB cable. So you do the test. In the way that works for you, you can put it in the comments, alright? To help other people out there. And for those of you who are not yet subscribed to our channel, I want to ask you to subscribe and leave your thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments and we will be responding, okay? Let's wait here for a few more seconds. There you go, this is the recovery mode we talked about. Arriving at this screen, folks, I also want to remind you that this procedure works for some other Samsung models, alright? If you need to, you can perform this same procedure, okay? So now we will go down by pressing the volume down button. Let's go to the fifth option where it says keep data. Factory reset, alright? Let's confirm with the power button. Arriving at this other screen, we go down with the minus and also confirm with the power button. If you need to unlock the Google account of this device or any other model, we can do this unlocking even remotely, okay? So I will leave my WhatsApp number in the video description. If you need, you can contact me directly. If you learn how to do this type of unlocking, you can earn good money working from your home or any other place. So if you are interested, I will leave the last link in the video description. You can access it and see how you can do it, alright? It's a great investment you can make for your business, okay? And in many cases, you don't even need a computer, alright? So arriving at this screen, folks, we just confirm. And if this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. Thanks, take care.